कृते सत्यवती गेया त्रेतायाम च तपोवती द्वापरे भक्तिका नाम कलौ नेपालिका पुरी। नमो नमः। Namaste from the land of Mount Everest and from the land of Lord Buddha and from the land of Rishi Munis and Rishikas. Nepal is well known for the land of height and light. Mount Everest is the symbol of height and Lord Buddha is the symbol of light. I would like to highlight some of the important points about my motherland. Motherland is greater than heaven. So our motherland Nepal was the birthplace of many Rishi Munis who taught the science, religion, language to the world. Our Rishi Muni Ved Vyas, Krishna Dwaipayan, he was born in Tanahu. He compiled and edited 4 Vedas, Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sama Ved, Atharva Ved, 18 Purans, Mahabharata, including Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which became the main source of knowledge and civilization as well as the science. Rishi Parasari, he was born in Navalparasi, who invented Parasari counting system that became the main source of astrology for NASA. And Rishi Valmiki, who was born in Chittaon, he brought up Lava and Kusha, the twins sons of Lord Ram and Goddess Sita. Our Nepal was Guru nation state in the past since its origin. Then Lord Ram, he got married with Sita. Sita was born in Janakpur, who was devoted towards humanity, and she spread our Nepali Mithila culture in India throughout the world. And Brikuti, goddess Brikuti, she was born in Bhaktapur, who made our Nepali culture, art and architecture famous in China. So we are proud of being Nepali. Nepal is the birthplace of Lord Buddha. He became the main source of inspiration of peace and non-violence. And not only this much, many more Rishi Munis and Rishikas were born in Nepal. Our ancient Rishi Panini, he was born in Arghakhanchi, and then he first time wrote Sanskrit grammar, Vyakaran, which became the source of linguistics, modern linguistics. And his coding system has become so important that NASA has declared Sanskrit is the most important language which can broaden and which can open our minds. It can be therapy for our different organs, and it is the most important language for artificial intelligence. Nepal was famous during the First World War and Second World War. Our brave Gorkhalis, they fought all over the world. At the time of World War, German Emperor William II, he said that I can send my armies, my soldiers to any armies of the world, but when I hear the name of Gorkhalis, my heart shivers. Such a bravery our Nepalese Gorkhalis got during the First World War and Second World War. Our Prithvi Narayan Saha, he was born in Gorkha and he united modern Nepal. Before his unification, Nepal was divided into 22 and 24 small states. Then today we are proud of being Nepali, and such a big Nepal was unified by Gorkhali King Prithvinarayan Saha. So we have to continue to be brave, to be civilized, to be knowledgeable, to be wise, to teach to the world our ancient history, our culture, our humanity, our universal brotherhood. So the yoga was also originated in Nepal, in Himalayan. Lord Shiva, Adi Guru Shiva and Goddess Parvati, they talked each other through their conversation, dialogue. Yoga was invented, originated, and in the incarnation of Lord Shiva, Machendranath, Guru Gorakhnath, and our national Guru Narhari Nath also spread our Nepali yoga all over the world. And our Panini and Rishi Patanjali was also from Arghakhanchi. He said, Yogastha Chitta Vritti Nirodha. When we do practice every day yoga, then our all the negativity will be finished and we become more human, more social, and we can spread our humanity. So after, in the time of this corona virus pandemics, yoga has become most powerful weapon to be healthy. It was also emerged from Nepal. So Nepal is the land of all knowledge, yoga and religion, language, spirituality. We have to teach our new generation, our children, the importance of Nepal. Why do we have to spread our Nepali culture, Namaste and other many more Nepali style and Nepali salutation? We have to make them wise, we have to make them educated. That's why Nepal during the unification and at present also we have many gurus, like our Guru Dr. Nirmal Mani Adhikari. He has composed, he has done research. He has done research on many Veds and our ancient histories, and he has composed and he has made the state-nation theory of politics, ideology, and including all our culture, Hindu culture, Buddhist culture, Jain culture, and our other like Kirat culture, Bon culture. So all these cultures, these religions and those gurus, they were born in Nepal. And how did they practice? And we can see in the book of state-nation theory and other many books he has compiled, he has written, and the Shahrideta philosophy is the main philosophy, and through that symbols, Shahrideta and the Hridaya Chakra, Hridaya Chakra, Anahat Chakra, which symbolizes love, affection, humanity, brotherhood, and universal brotherhood. And then Ashta Chakra Nabadwara Devanam Puryadya Tasyam Hiranya Jyotir Swarga Jyotir Sabritah. We have Hiranya Jyoti in our heart, in our mind, and we have to research, we have to go through the meditation. And if we do meditation, we can find what things we have in our body. And throughout our body also we have all Ashta Chakra, means 8 different types of our body chakras. Those chakras, they can highlight our different power, our body power through that chakras. And I am also doing research on that. Saying these things, I would like to say Namaste असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। नेपाल जननी वन्दे।
यस भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट र शेयर गर्न नबिर्सिनुहोला। फेरि यस्तै रोचक भिडियोहरू हेर्नका लागि यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर घन्टी बजाइदिनुहोला।